Hello and welcome to Healthy Kitchen 101. Today we have the Megawise VS6621 vacuum sealer in the lab. The presentation of the box is really good. And to this side, you can see that the best features that this vacuum sealer has is that it has a cutter built in. So you can more easily manage your food portion with the plastic bag roll that should be included in the box as well. So let's unbox it. And here is the inside, and as I said, there is a complimentary roll of plastic bags here. And this is the Megawise VS6621 vacuum sealer. It is padded on either side with foam, and this is the air hose that you can plug in as an accessory and use it to vacuum seal food boxes or plastic bags, Ziploc bags that have an air hose port built in. The vacuum sealer is protected by a plastic sheeting, and this is the Megawise VS6621 vacuum sealer. This is the built-in cutter, and this is the ruler that you can use to measure out the bag. Here are the control buttons. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. This is the interior with instructions printed in. This is the vacuum chamber. This is heater bar that is going to seal up the plastic bag. Overall, very well built. Of course, on the inside, you also have a power cord. A really interesting part is that the power cord is separate, and so you can remove it and store it separately from the vacuum sealer. And here are the instruction manual and what looks like an instruction card. So let's come back a bit and look a bit deeper into the controls of the vacuum sealer. So first you have the food mode, which there are two operating modes. So there's either the dry or the moist mode. Depending on the foodstuff that you're going to pack, you can choose accordingly. So there's the vac seal mode. This is the one mode that most people are going to use. If you put one of these bags in and you choose this mode, it's going to suck the air out of the bag and then it's going to seal it up. Then there's the seal mode, which the sealer is just going to seal up the bag. It's not going to vacuum it up. Then there's the vac pulse mode. Depending on how long you hold it for, it's going to suck the air out accordingly. Then there's the stop mode. If you use it with the vac seal mode and you want to interrupt the sealing cycle for whatever reason, you can use it. And of course, there is the built-in cutter that you can use with a roll of plastic, so you can separate your food portions accordingly. Now, we're going to take one of the complimentary bags and we're going to run a test cycle with a bunch of roasted cashews and see how it works. So the cashews are in. I'm going to unroll the power cord and I'm going to plug it in. power plug is right back here. Open it up. Put the mouth of the plastic bag into the vacuum channel here. I'm going to close it. I'm going to run the vac seal mode. So, and there you go. So, initial impression, it works decently fast. It takes about 10 to 15 seconds, and as it works, there is a light bar at the top that you can use to monitor its progress. And once the suction cycle is finished, the vacuum sealer gives off a loud chirp to tell you that the cycle is finished. Looking at the bag itself, it looks like all of the air has been nicely sucked out, and the sealing at the top of the bag has been done up very nicely. So, my impression of the Megawise vacuum sealer is that it is a very well built. All of the modes are very handy, and the usability is very good. It's super simple to use, and I did not need to read the instruction manual to know what each of these modes do. And of course, to test out the built-in cutter, I'm gonna take the top bit of the plastic bag here, and I'm gonna run the cutter over. Really easy, really simple, and really fast. And that's it for the unboxing video of the Megawise VS6621. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of these videos from us in the future, do give us a subscribe. We're going to have a detailed review of this vacuum sealer up at a later date. I'm Matthew from Heavy Kitchen 101. See you later.